Hello, welcome to my new camera vlog and USB port and extension cord. Here's my extension cord. It may not be long enough for the camera. We'll be testing that out. Ordered this through Amazon. Yeah, I might have to go with an 8 footage to order out. My USB 10 port thing, because my new computer don't have a whole lot of ports. So here's that, got this through Camus. And my camera, that was like 3 days late. And this is 1080p. With Windows and Mac. So these are my new toys, and will not be filming my vlogs the same way from my vlogs. Will be doing some vlogs from my home, but not totally. My album reviews will be used with the camera and all of that, so I'll be back in front of the camera and I'll be publishing the old vlogs that I just filmed, this style of vlog. So here's everything, and everybody have a good day. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.